How to use the FanDuel Referral program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use the referral program on FanDuel and hopefully get some amount of benefit for both you and the other party. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use FanDuel's Refer a Friend program, it is fairly simple to do so. Now, to use the Refer a Friend program, it is available only for FanDuel Casino. So the FanDuel Casino Refer a program is live and you and your friends can cash in. So how do you refer friends? Well, first you have to find and send your unique invite link from the referral hub found via the Earn icon in the bottom bar of the FanDuel Casino lobby. Then from there, click Share Invite button, which will look like this. Text or email your link to friends. They will need to sign up, create a FanDuel account, get verified, and make their first deposit of at least $10. More on that in a moment. If they need help with how to set the deposits, and they will have to do that. Now, it doesn't have to be $10 in a single spin, but an accumulated amount of $10 or more. Once they've completed the deposit and playthrough requirements, you will be credited in casino bonuses, and it's as simple as that. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then use FanDuel's Refer a Friend program. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.